Okay, here's a little kitty update. Oh, he was going to look at that ball there. There's the other one wandering over there. What you doing? Hi, little baby. Hi. Whoops. Oh, I hate it when that happens. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Here, come out. There you go. There you go. They like the sound the baby wipe package makes. You like that? A little crunchy sound? Yeah, that's cool, huh? And that one's going under the couch. So you can see they're starting to move around a little bit more. And, oh, look at this one. Is that my knee? You found my knee? Oh, my goodness. My goodness. Anyways, I was starting to say, I can feel some little tiny teeth cutting through. So, yep, they're coming right along. Oh, here comes this one back out from under the couch. I don't know what's going to happen here. Whoa, here we go. Sometimes they tackle each other. It's so cute. Oh, no. So anyways, that's the kitten update for today.